Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy home decor DIYs. Starting with this quick and easy project, I will be using this Dollar Tree sign and I'm going to paint the frame using the antique wax. I will be adding this Dollar Tree family wood sign, which I'm going to paint again using the Waverly antique wax. I will be adding this to the sign more towards the lower bottom, and then I will be adding a little small clip at the top because I will be adding a picture. And that is it for this quick and easy family sign. For my next project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree wood signs. I will be making a large sign, so I'm going to put these together using some popsicle sticks. This is how it looks, so I'm going to paint it using the Waverly antique wax. To decorate the sign, I will add some of this Dollar Tree greenery. I'm going to make 2 small little bouquets and add 1 on each side. And then in the center, I'm going to leave it blank because I will be using some Dollar Tree wood letters using the word home going down. And that is it for this beautiful home sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree picture frame. I'm going to remove the glass and I'm going to paint the background using some white chalk paint. To decorate this, I will be using this beautiful Dollar Tree decal. I'm going to add it to the top part. To decorate this, I will be adding this Bliss sign that I painted black. I got this from Michael's. And then that is it for this beautiful Bliss sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood tray. I'm going to paint it using some white chalk paint. To decorate the tray, I will be using some jute twine and I'm going to add it to the handles. To finish this off, I will be adding this Dollar Tree wood home sign. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know that in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.